In this new merging model, and as we see AI coming into play, AI is not going to replace people, it's going to enhance people. Business is done between people. Whether you're going into a retailer and making a purchase, if you're in and doing business to business from suppliers to manufacturers or manufacturers, into retailers. It's about people interfacing with people. What AI helps to enhance those relationships now is that if you ask me a question on the status of your order, I no longer will require 4 hours or 4 weeks to track down that information. I can now go into a rich user experience in the ServiceNow platform, put in a natural language query to check on the status of a particular purchase order going to my particular client, and get that back in seconds or minutes with all of the information that I need to be able to respond to your question. And it might be right while we're on a phone call, as opposed to saying, I'll get back to you later.